Hey everyone, WhatsApp has rolled out a new option in 2019 that lets you lock your WhatsApp with Touch ID or Face ID, obviously depending on what phone you have. So in this video, I wanted to show you how to set that up. So as usual, just go ahead to your WhatsApp, launch it on your iPhone device here, and we want to go to the settings option on the bottom here, on the bottom right. And on settings, you want to click account. And once you click account, you want to click privacy. Now, depending on your phone, there will be a screen lock option here, and it will either require Face ID or a Touch ID. So on the bottom of the page, you see the screen lock option, click that. And then here it says require Face ID. If you have Touch ID, it will say require Touch ID. So all you have to do is turn that on. And it says when enabled, you'll need to use Face ID to unlock WhatsApp. You can still reply to messages from notification and answer calls if WhatsApp is locked. So here you have 4 options. So go ahead and pick the amount of time you want before Face ID or Touch ID is required. So you could do it immediately or after 1 minute, for example. And that's how long it will take to lock. And that's all you got to do to set this option up for WhatsApp. And now your WhatsApp is completely secure. I hope you found this useful. Please give it a like and subscribe to this channel for daily tech videos, and I'll catch you next time. Thanks for watching.